Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of Cooking with Rod. In this episode, my dad and I are going to be making red beans and rice. Don't go anywhere. We're glad we could join you too. I bet they're glad that they could join you. Can I say that?
You already did.
Oh!
For this dish, we of course have our red beans. We have thinly sliced sausage. We have 1 bell pepper. I went with yellow because I like the color. We have celery, onions. I put my garlic on the top. I use minced garlic. You can use 3 cloves of whole garlic. And we went ahead and put all of our dried seasonings in one dish together. In the Instant Pot, we already have measured out 7 cups of water. So we're going to go ahead and put everything in the Instant Pot with the exception of our sausage. So now we'll take our spoon, just kind of mix it up a little bit. Make sure it's locked in place. Make sure your vent is sealed. All right, so next we want to make sure our Instant Pot is turned on. We want to hit manual. We're going to take that up to 28. Now we're ready for that to cook.
Now that it has finished cooking, we're going to let the steam out. Now that the steam's out, we're going to go ahead and take the lid off. And now we're going to add the sausage. And we're going to put the lid back on. And let it cook for 15 more minutes.
And while that's cooking, when it gets close to about 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, we're going to make our white rice in our other Instant Pot. We're going to use the 1-to-1 ratio, meaning we're going to use 1 part rice and 1 part water.
Now that we're done here, knew it!
Now our 15 minutes is up. You want to allow your Instant Pot to release the pressure slowly. You don't want to do the quick vent. So it'll take another 10, maybe 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes for it to release the pressure. So once that's done, go ahead and take the top off. I've already prepared a nice plate of rice. Now here comes the fun part. Taste test. Spoon for you, spoon for me. Try and see what it tastes like. Let's see how good it is. Go ahead. All right. So I'd like to give a special shout out to Marjorie. Marjorie provided this recipe for us. Go ahead and check her out at apinchofhealthy.com. You'll find more great recipes from her. But before you go, please subscribe and like, and make sure you tell other folks about this wonderful cooking channel using the none other than... I'm waiting on you to say it.
What do you want to say? It's so fun! I don't know what you want me to say.
Instant Pot. See you later.